Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to write 3D text in MS PowerPoint. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. So let's dive in. Now first of all, open PowerPoint on your computer. Okay, I'm gonna write over here. I will make it a bold. Let's increase its size. Okay, that's good. Now right click with your mouse on the text and click on format shape. As you can see, click on it. Now go to text options on the right side. Now go to this text effects, click on it. Now click on 3D format. On top level, choose whatever desired format you want. I will go with this one. And on bottom, again with this one. Now click on 3D rotation and select how you want the text to show. Okay, it is looking good now. Now fill the background by clicking over here. You can choose color by clicking over here. As you can see, that's it for the video. That's how you can make 3D text in PowerPoint. You can experiment on your own. Thanks for watching.